Holy crap. Come on, Joshua. Joshua. Come on, Joshua. Joshua. Let's go on the other side. Come on, walk. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Go. Go. No, this way.
Huh?
This way.
Huh?
This way. Look at you.
Big left.
Get off! Can you get off? Go! Go! You need help? Go!
Ah!
Okay. Uh-oh. Just slide your hand on the inside your coat sleeve. Inside the coat sleeve.
Huh?
Inside the coat sleeve.
Huh?
Put your hand inside the coat sleeve. There you go. Okay, go. Up.
Huh?
Up. Where are we going? Up. Up.
Huh?
You have to go up.
We have to go there.
Where? We have to go up. We're building a fort under the tree.
We have to go to the train track.
No. We have to make a train track here. Mommy's gonna make a train track here, okay? Ah! Uh-oh, diesel's coming. Uh-oh, the bad engine is coming. Diesel's coming. Diesel is coming. Diesel's coming. Diesel's coming. Hurry! Run!